is about ethical leadership and accountability. Accountability is about pananagutan. Every leader is accountable to all their members. Lahat ng leaders, accountable po tayo. Mayroon tayong pananagutan sa lahat ng miyembro ng ating samahan. So dapat panindigan ng mga pinuno ang integridad, katapatan, at mga pinahahalagahan ng organisasyon. Because training will help leaders make ethical decisions, manage resources responsibly, and set a positive example for all volunteers. So we have to, ethical decision. Pag sinabi po natin ethical decisions, it's based on what is lawful, what is morally upright. So that is about ethical decision. So that is the third characteristics of a leader to be effective, being ethical, being accountable to all his members. And the fourth one is about empowerment and growth. Empowerment and growth. Yung pagpapalakas ng bawat miyembro ng samahan at paano palalaguin ang samahan. So that is the fourth item that a leader should possess to be effective, and it can be part of the training that I'll be discussing later. So in summary, ang pagsasanay sa leadership protocol ay nagbibigay kakayahan sa mga volunteer leaders na mamuno ng may integridad, katarungan at kausayan, na nagtitiyak sa tagumpay ng kanilang kupunan at ng misyon ng organisasyon. So these are the four reasons why volunteer leaders need trainings on leadership protocol. Okay. So let me present the objectives of my presentation. So ano ba yung mga layunin? So ito yung mga layunin. Una, maunawaan ang leadership protocol sa pamamagitan ng pagtukoy at ng mga tungkulin, responsibilidad at pamantayang ethical na inaasahan mula sa mga volunteer leader at miyembro. Pangalawa, ipakita ang epektibong kasanayan sa pamumuno sa pamamagitan ng mga aktibidad na nagtatampok ng pagtutulungan, komunikasyon at paggawa ng desisyon. Pangatlo, ang hirap ng Tagalog, apply the principles of flexible and inclusive leadership in managing volunteer tasks and resolving conflict. The fourth one is develop a shared vision and action plan for practicing leadership within their volunteer groups. And yung panglima na layunin ay commit to continuous personal and collective leadership growth by reflecting on strengths, improvement areas, and strategies for empowerment. So yun po ang ating pag-uusapan ngayong hapon. So let's start with the understanding about leadership protocol. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging volunteer leader o pwedeng miyembro ng isang samahan? At ano ang mga pamantayang ethical na gumagabay sa atin sa paglilingkod? Because this leadership protocol is the foundation of effective teamwork and empowerment. Ito ang nagsisilbing pundasyon ng epektibong pagtutulungan at pagbibigay kapangyarihan sa bawat isa. So, leadership protocol. Okay, so this will be the first topic. Leadership protocol, roles, responsibilities, and ethical standards. So, understanding the leadership protocol is like learning the rules and positions in a sports team. So, that's an analogy. Ang pag-unawa sa leadership protocol ay tulad ng pag-aaral ng mga patakaran at posisyon sa isang kupunan sa paligsahan. So halimbawa, ang coach, so yung leader, kasi yung leader, the coach sets the game plan, guides the leader, guides the player, and makes strategic decisions. So ang coach or ang leader, ang tagtatakda ng game plan. So ibig sabihin, sa isang samahan, it is also the leader who will craft what are the strategies that will be implemented para ma-achieve kung ano man ang layunin ng samahan. While the players, for example, in an organization, they are the members, they will follow their positions. They will communicate with each other and support the team to achieve the goals. So yun ang inahalintulad natin na ang leadership protocol ay ito yung mga patakaran at posisyon. So ibig sabihin, sa isang samahan, dapat mayroon din tayong patakaran at bawat miyembro mayroong kanya-kanyang posisyon sa ating samahan para alam nila kung ano ang kanilang dapat gampanan. So, everyone must play fair and respect the rules. So tayo, kailangan sundin natin kung ano yung ating mga patakaran para walang problema. Kasi po kalimitan, gaya ng nasabi nga kanina ng mga president, the problem in a group will always start if there will be some violations in the rules. If there will be violations that will be violated. Kaya, ang leadership protocol, katulad ng sports, kapag alam ng lahat ang kanilang tungkulin, responsibilidad at pamantayan,